Hi boys and girls, Miss Gurule here. Welcome to my classroom, which is straight out of my dining room. I hope that you all are doing well. I miss you and I can't wait to see you all, and I hope that happens sooner than later. Since we're not together, I want to invite you to journey along with me in science, and we are going to be learning a unit called Healthy Me. We're going to be learning about the human body and what it takes to be healthy. Okay, so our first lesson, we're starting off by determining what we will be doing. Making healthy choices benefits all of our body systems. And what we're going to do today is we're going to work on an inquiry chart. We're going to work on a cognitive content dictionary. And we are going to be introduced to the body systems we will learn about over the next 5 weeks. Okay, so I want to start with our inquiry chart. So this is our Healthy Me inquiry chart. An inquiry chart means to put down inquiries. And inquire means to question. So we have 2 questions. What do we know about the human body and being healthy? And what do we want to know about the human body and being healthy? So normally, if we were in the classroom together, I would take your responses and I would add them to our chart. But since we can't do that, will you please send me your responses in an email if you're not in my class, or if you are in my class, you can send those to me by email or through Class Dojo. I would really love to hear your responses on what you already know about the human body and being healthy, and I would love to hear your responses about what you want to know. If there's something you really want to know and you want to find out together with me, please send those responses and I will add these so that for our next lesson together we can talk about your questions and what you already know, and we can share those with others. Okay, the next thing I want to talk about is our cognitive content dictionary. And I'm going to move the phone over a little bit so that you can see the dictionary. Okay, this is not your regular dictionary. This is a chart dictionary. So, cognitive content dictionary, what it means is we're using critical thinking to find out the meaning of words that are either new to us or that we don't know that much about. Okay, so the new words for our lesson today are healthy and system. And what I did with this chart is I wrote the word, I separated it by its letters, and it has 7 letters, and it's an adjective, so it's a describing word. So healthy is describing something. The meaning of healthy is to have a strong mind and body. Here is a picture that's showing a child who is flexing its arms to show that it is strong. And then the last thing that we do for our cognitive content dictionary is we use the word in a sentence. So the sentence for healthy is, I can eat well and exercise to have a healthy body. Okay? So what we're doing with the cognitive content dictionary is we are anchoring this word into our brains. Okay? And we're doing that not just by looking at the word, but looking at the meaning of the word, looking at a picture, drawing a picture, and then using the word in a sentence. And what I would like you to do is I would like you to create your own cognitive content dictionary. If I have a copy for you, so I will share that with you on our Google Sites for our school. But if you want to submit that to me so I can see your work, I would love to see your pictures and your own sentences. So of course you're probably going to have a similar meaning to what we have up here, but I know your pictures have to be much better than mine because I have some very good artists in my classroom, and I try my best, but Ms. Gurule is not the best artist, so I would love to see your pictures of what you think this word looks like. And then I would love to hear your sentences, and I would like to hear you use the word in your best sentence. The next word that we're going to look at is system. System has 6 letters in it, and it is a noun. That means it is a person, place, or thing. The meaning of a system is a set of parts that work together to get things done. So you have a system like a car, for example. A car has all these different parts, And every single one of those parts is super important because it's what makes the car run. It's just like with anything that needs to work properly, it is a system. So just like the car, our body is a system, but we cannot work properly without those systems all working together. And here's a picture. I just drew a couple of the systems. The lungs are in the respiratory system, and the skeleton is part of our skeletal system, which holds our body together. And our sentence for system is, an illness can weaken your entire system. So if we get sick, we feel that illness in all parts of our body, all systems of our body. Sometimes we feel it in our brain, we feel it in our face, we feel it in our throat, we feel it in our chest, we feel it in our stomach, we feel it in our bones, in our muscles. So all those systems work together to keep us healthy. And when one of those systems is down, it can affect our whole body. Okay, so boys and girls, we're going to start with our next lesson tomorrow, or Wednesday actually. And what we're going to continue working on is the systems of the body, okay? So we're going to focus on 5 systems. The first one we're going to focus on is the cardiovascular system, and that is mainly your heart. Cardio, you might know that word from exercise, and when we do cardio, we're working out our heart. The next system is the skeletal system, and those are our bones, and that's what holds our body together, along with the muscular system, which is next. And then we're going to talk about the nervous system, which is all the signals from our brain that are sent throughout our body to make our body work properly. And then of course the last system, which is probably one of my favorites because we get to talk about food and how food keeps our body healthy, is the digestive system. So next time I see you, we are going to draw a picture of the cardiovascular system, and we're going to label it, and we're going to talk about what the cardiovascular system does in our body. I can't wait to see you again, and I hope that you'll join me. Have a great day, and please, if you have any questions about this lesson or anything else, make sure you let me know. You can call me, you can email me, you can send me a message on Class Dojo. If you need to video conference me, I'm here for you. Thank you, boys and girls. Bye.